Camp Griddlemore, I don't know how it's happened, but the holiday season is fast approaching, and it's time to start thinking about getting some awesome gifts for those that we love, those that we camp with, and those that cook for us at the campground. So Sean the camera guy and I have 20 gifts that we are going to recommend in this episode for all different types of griddlers, all different types of people, from small gifts to larger gifts. So let's get camping and let's get cooking. For this gift guide, we are going to recommend some gift sets and some individual gifts. But let's start with 3 different griddle sets if you want to get somebody a larger gift. I love recommending the Blackstone 17-inch E-Series griddle, and I like to recommend this for a very specific reason, because in a lot of places in the country it's getting cold and people are not cooking outside as much, maybe they're not camping as much, but getting an E-Series griddle allows you to keep cooking inside and using your Blackstone all winter long. I use this at home every weekend to make my kids French toast. I use it to make quesadillas, and it keeps my passion for cooking on the Blackstone alive all winter long. I'd also recommend getting an accessory kit to go with it, and one that is specifically designed for the E-Series. You don't want to use any metal spatulas or metal utensils. They come in all different shapes and sizes, and they're all good, and they all work perfectly with the E-Series. One of my favorite griddles in the entire Blackstone lineup is the Blackstone 22-inch Flex Fold griddle. It comes in different colors. You can take this thing anywhere. You can bring it to the campground. You can bring it down on the beach. You can bring it to your tailgate. And it's a large enough size that you could also use it in your backyard. So this could be that one griddle that does it all. This could make a great gift for somebody who's getting their first Blackstone and they want one for home and for at the campground. Once again, I recommend pairing this griddle with a toolkit, with a starter kit of some kind. Blackstone makes a wide variety of toolkits and starter kits. This is a larger one that has a little bit of everything. There's also some that just have your basic setup of spatulas, scraper, squeezy bottle, etc., etc. But pairing an accessory kit with a griddle would sure make an awesome holiday gift. Of course, here at Camp Griddlemore, we love our Blackstone camping griddles. And if you have someone in your family that loves to camp, whether they are a tent camper, an overlander, or an RVer, these make a great gift because they cook everything so perfectly, and they're very portable, very compact, and very lightweight. I love the 14-inch with side burner. This is great for a solo camper or a couple that camps together. If you're talking about a family with 3 or more, I might jump up to the 20-inch camping griddle. They are both great options, and once again, I would recommend pairing it with a basic accessory kit to get your family member started. This one is great. It comes with 2 spatulas, a scraper, and 2 squeezy bottles, and that's really all you need to get started griddling on one of these awesome camping griddles. I always think that it is nice to pair gifts together into like a little gift pack. So one idea might be to get the griddler in your family a Blackstone utility apron. I wear this all the time on Camp Griddlemore. It's great quality, very affordable. I also recommend the griddle gloves. I use this when I make pizza in the Blackstone pizza oven or cornbread in the pizza oven. And I also use these when I'm seasoning my griddles, when the griddle's really hot. And then I always love to recommend Blackstone cutting boards. I think they're a great value. They come in all different shapes and sizes, and I think they're very gifty. They make a very nice gift for the holidays. And if you combined those 3 things, I think that would make a really sweet gift for the griddler in your life. I think that getting someone a set of seasonings could make a really nice stocking stuffer. So you could do like a 5-pack of seasonings, and you go on Blackstone's website and pick out seasonings that fit that person based on what they like to cook, or get them just like a general 5-pack of seasonings. Get them the SPG, the fajita, the whiskey burger, the all-purpose, the Tuscan herb. That covers a lot of different bases. Or if you have a steak lover in your family, why not give them Blackstone's 3 steak-specific seasonings, including the blackened steak, the high plains steak, and the steakhouse. All 3 of those are great, all great for steak lovers, and it's nice and thoughtful. Like if you have somebody that loves cooking steak, getting them 3 really nice steak seasonings would make a lovely gift. On that note, if you have someone in your family that loves making Smashburgers on the griddle, why not get them a set of the Blackstone burger baskets that come with these really cool basket liners with Blackstone logos all over them, and then maybe also pair that with a whiskey burger seasoning. Again, pairing gifts thematically feels very thoughtful, and I think that somebody that loves to make Smashburgers would love to get these 2 things in their stocking. For all of the tent campers out there, or the car campers, or people with small RVs where space and storage space is at a premium, maybe check out this portable camping tableware set. Sean and I both love this. I use this in my small RV. Sean, you take this car camping with you, don't you?
Oh, it's a must. Comes every time.
Comes every time. You got 4 plates, 4 bowls, a mixing bowl in here, all in this compact little setup. And then I'd also recommend getting these 4-piece utensil sets. If there's 4 people in the family, get 4 of them. If there's 2 people that go camping together, get 2 of them. These are very compact, very useful, great for tent campers, car campers, or people with small RVs. For that person in your family that is truly Blackstone obsessed, like I am, maybe a Blackstone water bottle. This is like totally my favorite water bottle. My son Wes actually steals this and takes it to soccer practice, and it's gotten dinged up a little bit, but it's held up very nicely. And also this Blackstone insulated tumbler is great for hot tea or hot coffee at the campground. We love our dog Maverick, and we always love to have a present or 2 under the tree for him as well. So if you have a dog that you camp with, you might want to consider getting the Blackstone insulated doggy bowl, the cleanup crew doggy bowl. I have 2 of them. I have one that I keep at home and one that I bring to the campground with me. And Maverick loves this, and it keeps his water nice and cool, and it's got like a slip resistant bottom. Really super high quality gift for your family's camping dog. One of the unsung heroes of my Blackstone accessory lineup is the griddle scoop. I use my griddle scoops all of the time, and I think a lot of griddlers out there don't have one. We have used these for stir fry, beef and broccoli, Franks and beans, and what else?
Walking tacos.
Walking tacos for the taco meat. This one is specifically designed for the griddles that are made with the cold rolled steel, and this one can be used on the E-Series griddles or the camping griddles. A lot of griddlers don't have these, would make a great stocking stuffer for sure. I take 2 because I accidentally didn't record
is it recording
one.
now?
It's actually recording now. We got a couple Sean picks.
Okay, so I'm a little bit different than Jeremy. I'm going to recommend the things that I use the most. That would be the propane adapter hose and the collapsible basting dome.
Collapsible basting dome we use almost every single cook on the show.
Yeah, totally.
We used it for lunch today.
We've never not used the propane adapter hose.
Because we like to use like the 5, 10, or 20-pound tank.
Yes.
Not exactly the most romantic holiday gift. I wouldn't get Haley a propane adapter hose.
No, but I think if you got it for your best friend.
Buddy gift?
Buddy gift.
Buddy gift, buddy stocking stuffer. Love it. There's your Sean picks, everybody. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching our holiday gift guide. I'm gonna put Sean, the camera guy, on the spot. Sean, what Blackstone griddle related gift would you like to get this holiday season? What do you want to find under the tree?
Ooh, that's a tough one. Sean's
a minimalist. Sean's a gear minimalist.
You know, you can never go wrong with a good collection of seasonings in the stocking.
Those will definitely get used, right?
Absolutely.
All right, I think what I want, I'm gonna depart the world of the camping gear for once. I would like a brand new 36-inch griddle for my backyard, because we just finally finished redoing my backyard. So to get a shiny new 36-inch griddle back there would be great. I think I've been good enough this year to maybe get that.
That's a good one. That's a good pick.
That would be good. It's kind of a big gift. I don't want to be too selfish, but I would love to get one. All right, everyone out there watching, let me know in the comments below what Blackstone related gifts you would like to get this holiday season. I would love to know, and happy holidays to each and every one of you. And thank you for joining us this week and every week on Camp Griddlemore. We'll see you right here next week for another great recipe episode.